Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to copy trade on eToro account. To copy trade on eToro, first of all, open your eToro application on your mobile device, or you can also go ahead and open up your eToro website on a web browser. Once you are inside the home page, either way, go ahead and click on the Discover button at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on Copy Trader at the top of the screen and go ahead and look for the trader or browse through the categories of the trader on the next page. You can also look for a specific trader by using the search box at the top. Type down the name of the trader and make a search. Once you find the trader you'd like to copy, go ahead and tap on the trader's name and click on the copy button at the bottom right corner. On the next page, follow through the instruction. You may need to enter the amount of money you want to allocate for copying this particular trader, and the minimum is typically $200. After you complete through the process, you will be starting to copy the trader of your selection. By copying a trader, you can diversify your portfolio and benefit from the expertise of experienced traders. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.